Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Ang lulutuin natin today ay cheesy beef lasagna. First, magpapakulo po tayo ng water at ilalagay natin yung noodles and a little bit of salt. Huwag niyong i-overcook yung noodles kasi lulutuin pa natin yan mamaya. Kaya luto na po yung noodles at i-drain lang po natin yung hot water. And then babanawan natin ng cold water. Alright, time to make the sauce. Onion, ground beef, go ahead, stir it up. Then cover it for a few minutes. At ilalagay natin yung garlic. Kaya medyo dry na yung meat, isusunod natin yung beef broth. Marinara sauce, salt, sugar, pepper, Italian seasoning, thyme, and parsley. At paghalo-haloin po natin. And then simmer it for 5 minutes or hanggang sa mag-thick na yung sauce. Now we're going to prepare the cheese. Put the cottage cheese, ricotta cheese, the egg, 1/2 cup mozzarella cheese, and parsley. At paghalo-haloin na natin ng mabuti hanggang sa maging smooth yung cheese natin. Like this. Alright, at I think ready na yung sauce natin. It's time to preheat the oven into 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're going to assemble the lasagna. Put some noodles on the dish, spread some sauce on top, and put half of the cheese over the sauce. And spread evenly. Put 1/2 cup mozzarella cheese. At uulitin natin yung process. And then add the rest of the cheese. At dadagdagan natin ng isa pang layer. Ilagay na natin yung natira na sauce. Alright, at lalagyan lang natin ng 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese on top. At tatakpan lang po natin ng foil. Medyo maluwag lang po para hindi dumikit yung cheese sa foil. And then, ibibake lang po natin ito ng 45 to 50 minutes. Okay, this is after 45 minutes at tatanggalin lang po natin yung foil. At babalikan natin after 5 to 10 minutes. And there it is. Luto na yung super cheesy lasagna natin. And smells yummy. Papalamigin lang po natin to ng 30 minutes. Alright guys, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa recipe natin today. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. At ito na, ang isa hindi makapaghintay sa tikiman time. Takam na. Sa kanya to. Alright guys, here's our cheesy beef lasagna. Ayan.
My favorite.
Kumuha na siya.
It's tikiman time.
He got his part.
Very good. Syrup. It's hot. It's hot, not spicy hot.
Spicy hot.
No, it's not spicy hot. Okay, this side.
Second bite. So guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now.